In this video, we'll show you how to safely lift the front and back of your Lincoln MKZ using standard lifting tools. You will simply need a jack, a pair of jack stands. Your Lincoln MKZ must be on level, smooth ground. You must be on ground where your car will be balanced, where the jack stands cannot slip, and especially where your jack can accompany the movement of the car at the same time as it lifts it. First of all, if the operation requires removing the wheels, start by loosening the wheel nuts before lifting the vehicle. For front lifting, insert the jack under the vehicle at door level and rest on the lifting point, which is a solid base for lifting and then securing your vehicle in complete safety. You can place the jack stand under a robust part of the chassis, such as the underbody next to the lifting point. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. You can now remove the wheel if needed. For safety, slip it under the vehicle as additional protection. If you need to lift both sides of your MKZ, repeat the steps for the other side. To put the vehicle back on the ground, start by putting the wheel back on the wheel hub if necessary and retighten the nuts until they make contact. Reposition the jack and lift your MKZ until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. Finalize the tightening of the wheel using a torque wrench. To lift the rear of your Lincoln MKZ, you can place the jack under the rear lifting point. You can place the jack stand under the rear support points as shown in the video. Then slowly lower your vehicle until it is stable on the jack stand. To lower the back of your vehicle to the ground, reposition the jack and raise your MKZ until you can remove the jack stand. Then gently lower your vehicle to the ground. You can now safely perform many of the operations on your Lincoln MKZ. Operation complete.